Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Close camera apps and force stop any background camera utilities so autofocus has full access. Next, remove the phone case and any protectors that partially block the lens. Using a microfiber cloth, breathe on the lens to loosen oils, then wipe gently in small circular motions. This removes smudges that commonly cause blur. Once done, inspect the glass under bright light to ensure there are no streaks or debris before moving to software checks and deeper cleaning. Once the lens is clean, you should verify software. Boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is disrupting focus. If blur disappears, uninstall recent camera-affecting apps. Clear the camera app cache and data, then reboot to force a fresh configuration. Make sure the phone's OS and camera app are updated to the latest version, since firmware can fix autofocus algorithms. Finally, open the camera and tap to focus at various distances to confirm sharpness, and to let autofocus. If blur persists, inspect the lens gap for trapped dust or lint. Use a can of compressed air from a distance and avoid touching the glass. You can run built-in camera diagnostics or reset camera settings to default to rule out misconfigured options. Test with a third-party camera app to determine if the hardware is failing. If problems continue after these steps, make sure you back up data and seek a professional repair. One key troubleshooting tip: test a different phone case, since subtle misalignment often causes soft focus.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.